Today we're making pan-fried soft tofu with enoki mushroom sauce. So one of the problems with pan frying soft tofu is it kind of breaks up when you grill it. Sometimes it gets sticky. So what you do is you put some eggs. We're going to dip the tofu in the eggs. So this way you'll get a nice egg coating on it so it won't stick. So just beat the eggs with a pair of chopsticks. So these soft tofu are cut into sort of a rectangle shape like this. So we're just going to dip one in, see what it looks like. So I probably only needed one egg. So this is one brick of the soft tofu. So I didn't need two of them. And the egg, I can use it for fried rice, so don't waste your extra egg. Probably could just use one egg for this. So now I'm just going to grill the tofu. So put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in here on the heated pan. So I preheat the pan at medium heat. So I wouldn't turn this on too high because this is not like a stir fry. You don't need the heat at high heat. So you can grill it on all sides if you like. But if you don't have time, just grill it on 2 sides. You can also use the tofu puffs. I made another recipe using the tofu puffs. So they're deep fried tofu. So you can make the same recipe using the tofu puffs. So it's actually easier, just use a pair of chopsticks to turn the tofu. I forgot. I'm going to sample one right now. That's crispy with the egg. That's really nice. Now we're going to take off the tofu. We're going to make a enoki mushroom sauce to pour over the top. So that's the next step. So here we have the enoki mushrooms. So I'm going to cut the stem off, and then we'll wash the mushrooms before we use them to cook. So this is where it's kind of soggy. I got a pan going here at medium to medium high heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. You can use a wok to make this enoki mushroom sauce, but since I use this pan, I'm just going to continue using it. So here I have about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger and about 2 tablespoons of garlic. So I cut them in half, the whole garlic cut in half. So we'll just give that a quick stir fry. So I'm just going to turn this up to almost high heat. So this is 200 grams of enoki mushrooms. So that's one package. I like the enoki mushrooms. They're delicate and they go well with different dishes. So here I have Mediterranean sea salt. I'm just going to put about a half teaspoon in there. Sea salt is actually saltier than regular salt, so you put half the amount that you normally do for regular salt. And add a tablespoon or 2 of this light soy sauce. So I like my favorite sauce, oyster flavor sauce. Put a tablespoon or 2 in there. If you don't have it, don't worry. And you can also order it from my Chinese cooking guide in the description below this video. A little bit more expensive than if you buy it in the Chinese supermarket, but if you really want any of the sauces that I use or any of the ingredients I use in my Chinese cooking videos, just check the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. So now we're just going to put a little water in there, or you have chicken stock or beef stock. I'm just going to put about a half a cup of water in there. So just bring that to a boil. So I'll just add a little bit of this dark soy sauce. So this is a dark soy sauce. Sometimes they have the mushroom flavored dark soy sauce. So I'm just going to put about half a teaspoon. Different dark soy sauce have different strength or color. So this one is fairly dark, so I only need to put a little bit in there. So I'm just going to turn the heat down to medium now. So there's about a tablespoon of cornstarch and a third of a cup of water, just to thicken the sauce. You might not need the whole thing. So depending how thick you want the sauce, I'm going to put the whole thing in. So now, just before serving, you can add some green onions. So I have about maybe half a cup here. So this will add some nice color, also nice flavor. So you want to put the Enoki mushroom sauce in the middle, so you show off some of your grilled tofu. There you have it. Enoki mushroom sauce on grilled tofu. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.